Oh my goodness, are you so starving? Are you so starving? Okay, I'm coming. Just 1 second. Oh, just 1 second here. There you go. So yesterday was our 4-month anniversary of moving into our new house. It both feels like a very short time ago that we moved in and also a very long time ago that we moved in, which that's normal. That's what everyone always says about everything, right? But it has been a lot of adjustment over the 4 months, and my routines have been ever changing. So I thought in this video I could share just my day and my morning, what is currently my morning routine, and it'll probably continue to evolve. I've been trying to get up at like between 6 and 6:30. If I just let myself sleep, I've been sleeping till like 8 or 8:30, which feels wonderful, but I miss out on a lot of time that I could be getting stuff done before the kids get up, because they've been getting up at 8 or 8:30 and sometimes even later. They sometimes will just sleep the day away. With all my kids, I have found that when they're young and toddlers, they get up super early, and super early for us is like, 6, maybe 5:30 sometimes. They'll go through a phase, usually between like ages 1 and 2, that they just want to get up early, and I usually, have my time with my little bitty buddy, and it's great. And then they transition to big kids when they're sleeping in, which is both wonderful and sad. But Levi has just made that transition, so he's started sleeping in until like 8 or 8:30, which, like I said, is wonderful, but also sad because I miss my little buddy in the morning. But because of that, I have not been forced to get up as early, and so I've been having to set an alarm, which I almost never do, and get up between 6 and 6:30. And I'm trying to get back into doing yoga every morning. I always feel so much better when I do that. I don't know why it's so hard to keep it up, but I did that this morning, so that is out of the way. And then I come out and, well, I usually make my coffee first, and then while I'm doing yoga, I sip on my coffee. It's like the deal I make with myself. Okay, I'm going to do yoga, but I'm going to have my coffee while I do it. So finished my yoga, refreshed my coffee with an espresso pod, and pulled out the chicken food. So we've been giving the chickens scraps from the kitchen, which is wonderful. It feels so good not to waste things like banana peels, and like Levi didn't finish his banana last night, which is totally unusual, but got to throw that in the chicken bucket. And on top of that, I throw the organic chicken feed we're using, bring that out here to our 5 bigger chickens. We also have some littler chickens. They were technically pullets when we got them, but they were pretty teeny, and they still are sleeping in the garage under a heat lamp, but then we bring them outside during the day. So I haven't dealt with those ones yet. So I feed the big chickens, the big 5, and then I try to sit out here and sip my coffee and just think about my day and write in my planner, just to kind of have some quiet time. I sometimes will not even bring out my phone because I don't want to be tempted to start looking at social media or whatever. And I just watch the chickens. They're very entertaining, and think about my day, write down a to-do list, write down a grocery list if I'm going to go grocery shopping, stuff like that. So that is where I'm at right now, and I'm going to sit here and talk to the chickens and write in my planner. The sun is just coming up over the back trees over there. So pretty. Got some little bunnies jumping around. There's another one over there. It's not moving at the moment. Got lots of little bunnies around. leave him alone, Paul. The kids are still sleeping, so I am gonna head out and pick green beans. It's been a couple days since I've picked, so I think there will be a fair amount. And I've been finding that my Instant Pot steamer basket works great for a little picking basket. I've been having fun watching the squash every day. I feel like you can see it grow every single day. These peppers are doing great. I think this one's ready to pick probably. Wasn't sure how big they get, but looks ready to me. Our sunflowers have mostly opened. I think there's 2 more that haven't, but they look pretty cool. I love that giant one. Well, good morning to you too, Freddie. Are you waiting for Renee to come feed you? Hey, you're not gonna eat my green beans, are ya? Renee will be out soon enough. She's just sleeping in a little bit. Hey, leave my green beans alone. Hey, you stinker. Why do you want my green beans? Why do you want my green beans, huh? I didn't know cats liked green beans. Excuse me, Freddie, I'm trying to work here. Hey, seriously, what are you going to do with my green beans? You little stinker. You leave them alone. Excuse me, those are my green beans. Pretty good load of green beans for the morning. I think there's some zucchinis that are ready to be picked, so I'm gonna grab those too. Just a few small ones. I just picked them yesterday morning, so I've gotten a lot recently. Oh no. Stay there, zucchini. There we go. That's a pretty good harvest. No? Okay, I'll check on it in a minute. My little butternut squash. It's getting bigger every day. It's so cute. I love it so much. But this plant has like 4 or 5 different little butternut squashes. So cute.
I guess that's all we can eat.
So apparently the power went out while I was outside. Which is interesting. We'll see what that's all about. It hasn't come back on yet. Usually when it goes out, it just flickers and then it's back on pretty quick. Are you finally awake?
Yeah.
You were sleeping the day away.
Yeah.
You ready to have a good, happy day?
Yep.
Oh, good. Me too. You too, Po? The power's still out. We have no idea when it'll be back on and no idea why it went out. So it's yogurt and fruit for breakfast.
And maybe fish.
You want to have fish for breakfast?
And Dad,
Sure.
Dad to come home.
Sure.
Dad and Autumn are out fishing, but there's no way that they're going to get the fish back here in time for breakfast. And you going to eat raw fish?
Sure.
I don't think so. I mean, we could have
Sure.
trout sushi,
Okay.
but when the power's out, we can't cook anything unless we start a fire, which we're not supposed to right now. Did Po eat your peach? So Levi's definitely not complaining about the breakfast for the day. You love fruit and yogurt, huh? Do you love fruit and yogurt?
And put my feet down there.
Yeah, sometimes you drop peaches to Po. And he sure likes them, huh?
Yeah.
Now we're heading out to take care of the little chicks. We have a little outdoor playpen set up for them, but they still sleep in the garage here. And so we got to get them all taken out so they can have some nice sunshine, be in the grass. They're getting so big, so big, so fast. Yeah, they're gonna start.
There
we go.
They eat like little pigs. Little pigs.
Oh, calm down. Calm down. Oh my goodness. Here we go. All right. Say hello. Say good morning. This is the feistiest one. We're getting to know their little personalities. This is the lightest colored one, and it's always the last one to get moved because it's so quick and it darts. I think it's the smallest one too.
Always pecks at my hair when I hold it.
Oh, it's Talia's favorite.
The feistiest one. I love you. You're the best. There you go. Oh, you're my favorite.
You clean the water and fill it up, please.
Yeah. There you go. That one actually likes me, I think. It snuggles with me.
Oh.
And when I'm holding it, I'm kind of snuggle, and then I put it down. It just stands there and it lets me pet it.
Oh, that's so sweet. Chicky friends.
Chicky friends.
Maybe it thinks you're another chicken.
I don't think so.
Sometimes I think that.
But whenever I accidentally let my hair in its face when I'm looking down at it, it pecks at it and tries to
Her
throw
face.
it away. What?
Her face.
Yeah. No, come here.
Not going to
Don't
come to
remember
you.
me?
They do not come when they are called. That is for sure.
You're my favorite.
I don't think it likes being your favorite.
I can't.
It's probably going to poop on you
Your
because
legs are gross.
to show you how much it loves you. Oh, it likes being in the grass there, getting some new bugs, new grass to eat.
Want to eat this, or are you eating the bugs on it? Like that? Good. Here. Come here. Look what I have. Yummy.
And the power is back. It was probably off for a little over an hour, enough to cause concern, but ooh, you can see power's back, yay! Thanks for tagging along on my morning this morning. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I will see you again in the next video.